Hi, my name is Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I decided to build it on my own. If you love aircraft, follow me, get it from dream to reality. Let's go! Hello and welcome back, my friends. The molds for the fuselage are already finished, and the next step for us is to create a mock-up cockpit. The mock-up will then be used to create the molds for the interior shells of the cockpit from. In the last episode I showed you the preparations for the vacuum infusion process, and in this episode we will actually do it and finally have our first finished part. As you can see, all layers are now inside the mold and we have created an airtight seal all around. We will now evacuate all the air inside and then check if it stays sealed. We are stopping the vacuum pump from time to time so we can evenly distribute the wrinkles of the foil. That way we can better avoid bridging. After fixing two small leakages, we have now reached our target vacuum level. Tom is finished mixing the glue, so we can now start the actual infusion process. The pressure is still reading minus 0.9, so it's time to open the valve. So, point of no return. Now we have to go through. At first there's virtually no resistance, so you can literally see the glue shooting into the line. It takes about a minute until all the air in the line has been substituted by glue. From then on, it starts to flow into the fabric layers, completely soaking it without any voids. If you look closely near the entry point, you can see where the green starts to get a little bit darker, where the infusion has already happened. There still is a bit of air present, but it will be gone within the next 2 or 3 minutes. Let's speed up by a factor of 20 so we can better see how the infusion works. Infusion is rather quick at the beginning, but slows down significantly during the process. The reason is simple. The soaked areas have a higher flow resistance, so it gets harder for the glue to travel the further it has to go. I am marking the progress to better anticipate how long it will take until it finishes, as the glue has a maximum time it will stay liquid. In total, we need 7 pounds of glue for this part, but approximately a quarter is inside the green mesh, so the final part will get lighter in the end. As you can see, speed has already dropped by 50%. But we have already reached the other side at the front. We are using a tube covered with a diaphragm, so the glue cannot enter the tube. Only the rear side is missing, so I'm changing the camera perspective to have a better viewing angle. Okay guys, so something really bad happened now. It's 45 minutes into the infusion and I heard some noise. It seems there is a tiny pinhole somewhere where the air can enter and I'm not able to exactly locate it, at least not in time. We are going to finish this infusion as the part is only a mock-up and luckily doesn't have to be perfect, but honestly this is the worst case that can happen. You see, this is exactly the reason we are doing these trial runs first, because if this already were the real fuselage, it would mean we have to throw away a few $1,000s worth of material. Just never expect for something to work at the first time. Let's get it out and have a look at how bad it is. Removing the peel ply is always one of the most satisfying tasks in building composite parts. So first things first, although it lost suction and a lot of air went in, the part is still good enough to be used in a mock-up. The vacuum loss resulted in a little bit of bridging in this area here. But up there you can see how much of a mess even the tiniest pinhole can do. Okay, so you know us guys, this was a bit of a downer now, but never give up and the next part will be perfect again, and we are going to fix the spot where the leak occurred here before we build the actual fuselage. In the meantime we already started the left part for the cockpit mockup, and then we can start working on the interior parts. So thanks for staying with me until the end and hope to see you again next week. Until then, never give up, get up again and succeed. Have a nice weekend my friends. I'll be back. Fly safe, fly Horus.